Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Abdul Rashid here. Today we're going to discuss about the topic which is nepotism. Before starting this topic, I am going to say a few days back in the same channel I uploaded a video about the racism. Again, I am speaking about the topic nepotism, which is similar to this racism. Nepotism is not a new word, it was already existing in the world. It's a nature of the humans. Still people doing that. That was this time happened in India, in Bollywood. And again, this video is specifically making for the Indian people who living in foreign countries. They know what happening here because some of the news are fake, some of the news are really happened thing here. So what I know, what I get the information real, I hope that I am speaking in this video. Yes, I'm going to speak about the person Sushant Singh Rajput. We all know that person was a very good actor. In recent days he upgraded himself. He came from a normal family and he achieved his career, which is not at all possible by a single person or anyone. It's very hard. It's not at all I'm not saying this is not achievable. This is achievable, but it need some effort and some time to get this position. But he attained suicide. He spoiled his life. He wasted his career. He did everything waste. What are the efforts he put? Totally he wasted. That is my opinion from my point of view. And also the lockdown, this quarantine also one of the reason. Because of his depression he attempted suicide. Okay, what is the topic here? Nepotism. You are speaking, you may get question from me. The nepotism played a very big role here. Nepotism, we all know, you people know what is that meaning. Same thing in this industry. Because of the few members, he got 7 movies for the last 6 months. He signed for the 7 movies in the last 6 month contract, and the contract has been revoked due to some persons, some celebrities. They forced him to revoke the contract. They advised the producers and the directors to not to provide this role, because already the Bollywood celebrities, children's, kids or the industry, they need some roles and career to sustain the cinema industry life in Bollywood. Because of the silly thing that affected Sushant Singh Rajput, we all know you are the person, you are putting all the effects for your career, and suddenly some person from outside coming, this is my industry, how could you come in front of me? I won't allow you because my kids and my relations are behind me. I am going to support them. You just stop yourself like that. If somebody told you, what will be your mindset? That time what will you react? How will you fight? Because you does not have any financial strength. Maybe you may earn in recent days, but you need some background support. Without support you could not do anything. Even a superhero, sometimes he need a background support. You see the examples, Avengers movie. Without a single Avenger cannot defeat all the enemies or opposite person. He needs some 2 to 3 4 strength behind him. Then he can easily defeat the opposite person. Like him, Sushant Singh Rajput is a normal person. He came from a normal family, Bihar family. So what are the things he won now? He was just here in this recent days, in the recent years. All the movies he acted, that was pretty cool and was hit worldwide. Especially the MS Dhoni movie, which is the very famous movie. All world, South Africa, North America, I am saying some of the continents here, but all of the world people enjoyed the movie because of the MS Dhoni personal life, biography. So many things he achieved in his life, but this person today is no more. Because of the bloody shit, nepotism still exists in our world. Not only in the cinema industry, any industry you go, this problem is continuing. When we will get this solution? We have to think about this. If you are the person seeing this video, having hope in nepotism, I just suggesting you, this world is not only for you. and your people. Everybody is equal here. Everybody have opportunity to grow up themselves. So if you have a talent, you can come up. If you have talent, you can do anything. You can write your life from yourself. So we have opportunity here. So people have to share the opportunity, distribute the opportunity. Nobody should be a wall by stopping someone when he is boosting his career. That is not fair at all. Because we not live here. We are not 1,000 years or 2,000 years. We don't know when our life going to end. But we have to share our knowledge, our life, our business to someone. If they are really good, we have to approach them and appreciate them to come on, not to stop them. I hope if this lockdown was not here means this time definitely Sushant Singh Rajput never attained that suicide. Because of the depression, he attained that suicide. Today, so many things going in North India in the news channel. Family members of Sushant Singh Rajput and their relatives filing a suit against some 8 of the members who are really very good celebrities in Bollywood recent days. I don't want to mention their names. You may see the video which circulating on internet. So this is not at all fair again. I hope you people get the clear news from Indian person. If you really like this video and this is touching to you, and sometimes this nepotism also played in our life. Example, the person who's seeing in this video, you may also suffer because of the nepotism. If you have that kind of experience, please leave a comment in this video. Please share this video to your friends and the person who is still affecting. And we have to do something better in our environment. And the person who is doing nepotism, please share this video to them, because we have to tell them politely about the value of life. Maybe people may get suicide because of this nepotism in future. So we have responsibility to avoid those scenarios and things in future. So we have our responsibility. Please share this video, spread maximum, spread love. That's it, guys. I don't have anything to say in this video. This is what I would like to share here. Please subscribe to our channel, then only you can see my next videos. Okay, I will see you in another videos. You may see you in me next video. Bye. Till then, bye. Abdul Rashid. Love you all. Positive vibes. Bye.